Hi everyone, I am Anju and welcome to my channel Excel Made Easy. Here you will learn Excel in the simplest and most practical way, from basic features to advanced functions and real world tricks. Let's master Excel together.
When you are creating reports in Excel, then you must ensure that all the data are stored correctly. Each column must contain the right types of data, then only the reports will come out correctly. In this video, we are going to understand what are the different types of data Excel stores. So we take it here as an example. Let's say I enter the name, which will contain all alphabets. So Excel is going to store this as a text. A mobile number, when I enter, this will be stored as numeric because this contains all pure digits. No other special characters or alphabets are there. How do you understand by looking at the data? If no formatting has been applied as of now, by default, you will notice all the text values are stored on the left-hand side of the cell and all the numeric values are positioned on the right-hand side of the cell. So this is one indication which Excel gives you while looking at the data. And based on the pattern, because the names were all alphabets, so Excel identifies this as a text type of data. This happens because by default, your Excel cells are applied with the general format. It means the pattern that you will use to enter the data type will be assigned to it. So each cell might be having a different data types depending upon the pattern that you're using. Since mobile numbers were entered with pure digits, this was taken as a numeric type of data. But what if I entered a mobile number as 91 and then the digits? Since there is a special character which has been used to enter this data, then you will notice the data is created on the left hand side of the cell. It means Excel has stored this data as a text. So based on your pattern, the data type is being identified. Now I enter the amount deposited. Again, amount is supposed to be a numeric data. So you will be using the digits and no other special characters. A comma and a decimal can be used because that's a part of a numeric data, but no other special character should be used here. So this will be on the right hand side. That means it's a numeric data. Now, next is the date type of data. Dates are a special data which contain three parts, that is day, month, and year. So when you are entering the data, you must ensure that it matches with your system date, which is displayed on the right-hand side bottom corner of your computer. So the same pattern you should also use to enter the data. So I am entering the data in DDMMYY format right now. That also goes on to the right-hand side because this is the correct type of date which I have entered. Similarly, time has a special pattern. Each part of the time is to be separated by a colon. So suppose I enter 3:10 p.m. That is 3:10 p.m. time I am entering right now. So you will notice that PM, which I entered in small letters, has automatically converted to a special format and it has moved to the right hand side. Secondly, when I select this data and look at the formula bar, we can notice the time has been displayed in the 24-hour clock. So it means the time has been identified correctly. Now, let's suppose if I enter a date as 7/16/2026, will it move to the right-hand side of the cell? No, it did not. Similarly, if I enter the time as 3:10 p.m., did it move to the right-hand side? No. Do write in the comment the reason why they did not move to the right-hand side.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.